They do anyway.
They poop. And,
I don't think lemur
and they
birds
bite.
are real.
They bite?
Yeah, I don't think lemur birds are real.
What did you see one at though? You saw one?
On my TV.
Oh gosh, let me see. Lemo bird. What do they look like?
They look like a.
No, like what color are they?
They're yellow.
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 Are they big or little?
Big.
Lemo bird. Do they fly?
Yeah. They really are.
Are they mean?
Yeah.
You
Really.
On the TV though, right? You saw one.
Lemur.
What else do you know about them?
If you touch them, they fly. They fly away.
I've never heard of them.
Right.
I don't think they're even real. I think he's just.
They live in New York.
Live where?
New
In
York.
New York.
Where?
Yeah, they said they live. He
Wait.
said they live in New York.
New York.
Okay. Where
Looking at
Luke and Gavin live.
Yeah.
Lemo bird. I'll have to call them and see if they've seen one.
I don't think a lemur bird.
Did you see one when we were there?
Yeah.
You did?
I don't think a lemur bird's in real, Mom.
All I saw was a bee.
A
I was
bee.
trying to chase it.
I don't think a
Oh,
lemur
those
bird's
big
real,
bees.
Mom, I don't think a lemur bird's real.
Well, ew. That's disgusting.